In this video, I will show you step by step how to upload an SEO-optimized video on YouTube. Let's get started. Once you are on your YouTube dashboard, go to this Create option and then Upload Video. Here, you need to select your video file, but before you do that, make sure to change the file name. You see, most people upload the video with some random file name, but we are optimizing it for SEO, so make sure to change the file name. For example, my video is about the top 3 AI tools that every YouTube creator should use. I will simply enter this as the file name and confirm. Next, you need to enter your video title, description, and other information. The title is already taken from the file name. For description, I've already set up these details from the settings. I've also created an SEO-friendly YouTube description template in this document, which you can access from the first link down below in the video description. Simply copy this entire description format and then paste it on your video description section. Next, we only need to fill in the relevant information in the description. For example, we have the video title here. I will simply copy the main video title and then paste it on this section. Make sure to add the exact video title as it performs very well. Next up, we have the chapters and timestamps option. Adding chapters can boost the video rankings, so make sure to spend some time writing the chapters. Also try to add the target keyword whenever possible. Next up, you'll see the links option. Here, you can add all the links and resources that you've mentioned in the video, and also change this link text according to your needs. And then we just have some texts, disclaimers, etc. You can add some hashtags if you want to, but they are not as important as they used to. Next up, we have the thumbnail option. You can simply upload your thumbnail here, or you can use multiple thumbnails and use the A/B testing feature. For now, I will simply upload my thumbnail. There is also a website called thumbsup.tv where you can upload your video thumbnail and title and see how it will appear to your viewers on different devices. Next up, make sure to add your video in a playlist. If you don't have a playlist here, simply click on this Create Playlist option and you'll be able to create one for yourself. One of the most important section is the tag section here. Here, you'll need to add all the relevant tags for your YouTube video. You can manually type it if you want to, but there is a website that can do this work for you. It is called rapidtags.io. Simply visit this website and click on Use Tag Generator. Next, you only need to enter your video topic here and confirm, and within a few seconds this tool will generate all the necessary tags for you. Now you can simply copy all these tags and then go ahead and paste it on your video tag section. That's how easy it is. Next, you can also enter these details like the video language, recording date, etc. For now, I will go to the next step. Here, we can enter the end screen and cards for our videos. Cards are not so important nowadays, so you can skip this if you want to, but make sure to add the end screen on your video. I will also add the cards here. I will add 3 videos and 1 playlist here, which will be sufficient for now. We also have this subtitles option here. This is important, and it can help you with your video rankings as well. You can either type manually, or you can simply upload the subtitles here. If the video is 2 or 3 minutes long, you can simply type the subtitles here. But since my video is a bit lengthy, I will upload the subtitles. First, I will open my video script. I've saved it on a Google document. I will go to Files on the left, then go to Downloads, and then save the file as a TXT file. Next, I can upload this file as video subtitles. Since the timing is not mentioned, I will select the option with no timing, and then upload the transcript file here. YouTube will automatically adjust it based on their needs. For now, I will click here to save all the progress we've made so far. This is basically everything you need to do to upload an SEO-friendly YouTube video. Now make sure to check all the details once again and then schedule your video. That's how easy it is to optimize a video for SEO. When it comes to YouTube SEO, the most important part is keyword research. It is important that you spend some time researching and finding the right keyword. When it comes to keyword research, I like to use a tool called vidIQ. This is arguably the best YouTube keyword research tool, and the best part is that it does have a free plan. So, if you haven't signed up for vidIQ yet, you can do it from the first link down below in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.